I was once contacted for a project that was the starting point. That's how my relationship with Experis began. And if you turn around and look, it's been already 2.5, 3 years past. It's very evident that they have gone through my resume word for word, and exactly whatever roles I was placed, wherever I was placed, the 4 projects, this is my 4th project, wherever I was placed, my job profile exactly almost 90% matched my capability. So I was a direct fit, and that was a very easy entry for me to get into a new place and settle down faster. So that's very important, and Experis does a great job in that.
When this particular opportunity came about, I personally reached out with her along with the recruiter to understand what her goals were, what type of work she was looking for, what type of clients she really enjoys working at. Because for us, it's a two-way street. It's not just what is the client looking for, but also what are our candidates and consultants looking for? Will this position further their career? Will this position grow their skill set? Will this position take them to the next level of where they want to go?
3 things that I observed from my first project that have been continuously happening. The first one is, as soon as they identify and schedule an interview, they go over a process of enhancing the interviewing skills. That's very important, right? Not only the technical knowledge, we will be judged based on our social skills or whatever soft skills that we have. So Experis does a very good job there. They take up their time explaining the interview process again, whom we are going to meet, and then what should we be prepared in, and then they also expose us to the Power U in case we have to enhance our knowledge quickly or refresh some courses. So that's very important. That's number 1. And number 2, very important thing, on the day of joining, they are there. They just don't leave you just like that. They are there by your side, introducing you to the client, introducing you to the interviewer, or introducing you on the first day, so that your entry is comfortable. That's number 2. And number 3 is the lifelong support. Every time I'm in the project, once in 2 weeks, there is something, some message from the project team, Michelle or Priyanka, or they reach out to the client. So the sort of that constant interaction that happens, it keeps us motivated.
She's growing, I would say, every day. She's learning. She's such a good cultural fit there. Client is so happy. She's gotten so many awards from the client. We hear always good emails from the clients.
I have a long-term and a short-term goal as well. My short-term goal is to acquire some good technical skills and enhance the current role, whatever I perform. And the long-term roles, probably I should get into senior management. I'm aiming for that. I'll start working towards it. It's a very encouraging atmosphere to work with. So whatever work you do, you are recognized for that. Also, there is a lot of scope to know the job. There are a lot of things that we need to know to perform, and every day it's something new that we learn. So that keeps me very motivating.